Microsoft Word Chapter 7, Project 2E, Drawing and Formatting a Table. All right, with 7-TSP tables still open, select and delete 3 rows in the middle table from the row that begins with the name Lee Yong through the row that begins with the name Schaefer Mitchell. Okay, so we're going to come right in here and we're just going to delete those rows. Okay? Move the insertion point to the end of the document outside of any tables. Okay? By the way, you are offending me. Let's move you up some. Okay. All right, so we're down here. Come on, you. All right, so get down beneath any tables, okay? You have to make sure that your insertion point is positioned below the third table. Step number 3. Click the Insert tab and then click the Table button, and then we're going to go to Draw Table. So we're going to go Insert, Table, Draw Table. Okay, I am not an artist, and I'm not going to lie to you, I practiced this on a blank document because it's, I'm not very artistic, so bear with me. All right, you're going to use your mouse and take a look at the picture in your book, okay? And what you do is you draw the outside border first. So basically, you just draw a big rectangle. Okay, and remember, we can fix anything we do wrong, correct? All right, so once we have that drawn, then I'm going to draw this horizontal line. And here's where, okay, you have to eyeball this, but we can move these when we're done. So if you're like me and you have trouble getting these even, just guess right now and just draw these lines. And as you can see, mine are totally uneven. Okay, but when you get it in and you have it somewhat looking like the book, then we're going to just go up here and click on Draw Table again to turn off that pen. And now you know that we can get in here and we can move these lines and make them more even, right? Now, if it's just totally horrible, you can click on this and you can delete the whole table and you can try again, okay? It's not that easy to do, but luckily it's pretty forgiving and you can adjust all the lines and try and make them even, okay? All right, so we did all the way through number 4. Step number 5. After drawing the table, type Tri-State Products in the top cell. Okay, we're going to drop down into this cell. And this is going to be Washington Division. And then in the center, Oregon Division. And then on that far right is the California Division. Okay? Apply the Grid Table 4 Accent 6 table style. Yippee. All right, so I'm going to go Design. And I'm in List Tables, correct? No, I'm in Grid. Grid Tables. And I want Grid Table 4 Accent 6. It's this one right here. Don't worry that it looks weird. I'm sure we'll be doctoring this thing up as we move on. Select the table. Okay, and change the font size to 12 points. Apply bold formatting. And then center align the text in the cells. Okay. Step number 8, make any adjustments needed to the border line so the text in each cell displays on one line. Well, mine definitely displays on one line. Mine's pretty big. But again, you're just kind of eyeballing it. Now it says to drag this so that it's centered. Mine needs it to go a little bit over there. And you want this all on one page. Okay, make sure it's all on one page. If it's not, start moving things closer together Okay, and let's see why I have a second page. If I turn on my show hide, probably a stroke of the enter key. Exactly. Just back it up. Back it up. All right, who's moving? You're moving first. Now you're moving. So just sit here and play with it until they're all on one page. Okay. There we go. Turn off my show hide. And now that you're all set, and you're ready to save this and move on to your next video.